Hello everyone, this is MS Abbasi and I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel MS Tech, a learning platform for all the learning aspirants. Today in this video, we will talk about WebDriver Manager, why we use WebDriver Manager and how we can implement WebDriver Manager for the execution of our automation script or any web-based application. First of all, there are a couple of challenges which everyone face while using ChromeDriver.exe or EcoDriver.exe or any other WebDriver.exe file. The first challenge is matching the compatibility of WebDriver with web browser. For example, if you are using your WebDriver which is compatible with web browser 93 version and your current Chrome browser or any other browser is having update version of that, and you won't be able to execute your automation script because of compatibility issue. To fix this, you always have to take care that your Chrome driver or any other driver is compatible with your current browser version. The second challenge which everyone faces is providing the exact path every time of this webdriver.exe file in automation script. Now again, one more challenge is this code is not global. Even if you try to make it global in your framework, there might be some issues because of path related problems. Now we have a better workaround to implement. With this alternative, we don't have to take care of the compatibility of browser and driver. At the same time, we don't have to provide any path of any driver.exe file. So now, to implement this, first we have to add the dependency of WebDriver Manager in our current project. So to do that, I have a repository, and here I will write WebDriver Manager. When I search for WebDriver Manager, the first one is the result which I will add from github.bonigarcia. So I am going to take the updated version, that is 5.0.3. I'll copy this and I will add this dependency in my form.xml file. Now let me update my project here. When I added this WebDriver Manager in my project, I am going to create a new class. So let's say my new class name is, I'm just giving a simple name called test class. Since I am using right now testng, I am going to create one testng test with @test annotation. So I'm writing public void, and let's say the name of my function is launching the browser. First, let me declare my WebDriver. So this is my web, and it is asking to import. I'm gonna import. Now, unlike we provide the path of any driver.exe file to launch that particular browser, I am going to write the code for WebDriver Manager. So you see, let's say I am going to execute my script on Chrome driver. So you see here, I'm getting Chrome driver, Edge driver, Firefox driver, IE driver according to my requirement, and Opera driver, Safari driver as well. All the options are available. Right now, since I'm going to execute my script on Chrome driver, so I will simply take Chrome driver dot set. This is the command we have to use. And now I am going to create the instance for my Chrome driver. Now, when I write WebDriver Manager, my Chrome driver is available here. This command will take care of the compatibility of my WebDriver with my browser. Let me write one basic command to launch my application. So I'm going to write it for let's try to execute this particular code without using any Chrome driver.exe path and the same part that has been handled by my WebDriver manager. When I execute this code, it is launching my browser and it has launched my browser and open Google as well. That's how you can execute your test cases, all the automation script using WebDriver Manager. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe this channel for all the upcoming videos.